For decades, you've entrusted one brand to guide you toward living a lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Now, locally, Better Homes and Gardens real estate professionals can help you find a dream home or enter into your new stage of life when selling. Through all seasons, expect better. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Call 841-9242 or stop by 495 U.S. Highway 10 East, Detroit Lakes, and pick up your free copy of the magazine. Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. All seasons.
Hi everyone, I'm Liz and this is Jade with Center of Design, and we're here again with another Field to Dream episode. And on this segment we're going to take you along. We went to our Minnkota Windows facility a few months back, and we're going to take you with, and you'll get to see why we choose Minnkota Windows.
Yeah, it's a fun tour. You and the general manager actually met us, and then also the sales manager, which Pat and you went on that tour. So yeah, it's
interesting.
It's real interesting, and a nice thing about it, local company.
Yes.
Local company, Windows built in our environment, so we know that this product they know what we need.
Right.
It ain't built in southern part of the United States thinking they understand our climate and the variation in climate. So that's kind of the fun part, is you get to see it, hear from them, and they're local. So.
Right, so enjoy.
Field to Dream, brought to you in part by Realstone. Realstone, nature-made, artisan-crafted. The distinctive beauty of nature simply cannot be matched. Realstone artisans have the material, tools, and knowledge to meet the specs of your project and make any stone application simply stunning. When the time comes for your next home or landscape project, don't settle for the concrete clone. Choose Realstone.
Ever think about siding? Most people don't. Unless it looks like this, or this. Then they can't stop thinking about it, or looking at it. Select Cellular Composite Siding by Royal. Visit rethinksiding.com.
Here we are at Minnkota Windows in West Fargo. We're going to take a tour of the facility, check out the energy efficiency windows, check out the different door options and colors and the blinds in the airspace.
And you're going to get to see the customization that Minnkota offers, and it's just huge. There's pretty much nothing that they can't do.
You bet. We'll meet Pat, the sales manager, and he'll give us a tour.
Hi, this is Liz with Center of Design, and today we are at the Minnkota facility in West Fargo, and I have Pat with Minnkota Windows with me, and we're at the showroom. So he's going to show me some options that we have with our windows and doors.
One of the things, Liz, that you're going to see in this Field to Dreams house is this tilt and slide patio door, which, as you can see, tilts for ventilation, but it also slides like a traditional sliding patio door, but with much greater ease and very little elbow grease needed. And this door has got multiple locking points and offers great energy efficiency and durability, and it's a great lake door. It fits that profile very well.
It doesn't take up much room, which is nice.
Exactly.
Yeah. Let's see what else we have.
Okay. Another thing that we'll see in the house that you're building is the blinds between the glass and the windows and doors. And these blinds are available in 6 different colors, and they are in between the panes of glass, so no cleaning.
Nice. And the 6 different colors, that's nice. So it gives people options.
Absolutely. We have
customizing it.
We have a number of interior and exterior color options, and white isn't always the best one.
Okay, great. Open that door for me once.
Absolutely.
I want to see how it slides. Very nice. It's got some nice weight to it. There's no struggle, there's no in and out of the track. It's solid.
Yep, everything we do is pure vinyl, and it's all very durable and very thick walled and multiple chambers, so it keeps its shape forever, and it's very durable, like you said.
You can tell. Let's look at this window over here.
Okay. There's a couple of different options here that we can show you. One of the things you'll also see is this 3.5-inch brick mold. Here it's in our mocha, and it's an accent to a brown exterior window. And we can color match just about anything. So you can get any kind of color on a window exterior or a brick mold and mix and match like we've done here.
Very nice. So again, it goes back to the customization.
Everything's made to order. We don't stock a whole lot of product here whatsoever. So whatever you can dream, we can build.
Great. All right, we're gonna move out to the production area now, and we'll get to see kind of what really goes into making a quality product. Hi, this is Liz, and we're back in the production facility at Minnkota Windows, and I'm with Pat here, and he's going to show us a little bit more as to the inner workings of the facility and what really goes into a quality product with the custom windows and doors. So Pat will tell us a little bit more about that.
All right, let's go back into mowing and we'll see some hands-on work.
That's good. So we know it's loud in here, so we're going to try to speak above the working noise, but we're here in this area. What is this area called?
This is our mowing area. This is where we put multiple windows into one big unit or add some of the exterior accessories.
Okay. Now this is one of the windows that is going into our Field to Dream project, correct?
Yes, this is a couple of the Euro Series casement windows that are going into your project, and what Gary's working on here is he's going to take a couple of individual units and he's going to what we call mull them together so they're one big unit that fits in a larger opening, and then he's going to add the brick mold around the outside. Okay. There's a few others staged in here as well that Gary's been working on this morning to finish up this project so you can get these windows soon.
Wow. So there's a lot of just meticulous craftsmanship that goes into it to produce a quality product.
Absolutely. This part of our facility is one of the most hands-on parts of the facility that we'll see, because we'll mull windows, we'll add brick mold, we'll add other accessories, and it really needs to be more hands-on in this area because it is a bit more intricate of work.
Sure. Okay, so what are you going to show me next?
Well, after the windows leave this area, it's where they get their glass. We've got some BBGs going into some units for your house that we can look at.
Great, let's look at that. So now we're in final assembly, and Pat, tell us what she's doing here.
Well, she's finishing off one of the windows that are going into the Field of Dreams house. I think this one's going to be by the fireplace, and it's got a brown blind between the glass and the window, and she's just glazing the windows so the blinds between the glass is in. She's popping in the glazing stops that hold the glass in place, and this window's going to be ready to ship soon.
Wow, wow. I just think this is so neat. On a side note, you know, this is such a nice facility, and these are, you know, you guys are local, your employees are local, these are people that are neighbors, and so what a nice thing to do to support a local company. So now you've got something else to show us, some highly technical piece of equipment. It looks like it was on the moon at one time.
It's the cool factor. It's really the coolest machine we have, so let's go take a look.
Let's go look. So now we're back and looking at this RoboClean machine. Tell me a little more about it.
Well, this is a machine that cleans the corners. For one of the processes, when we weld the corners, there's some extra vinyl that comes out. So this machine cleans it, and it's got a number of heads and saws and rotors in it, and it takes the excess vinyl out and cleans all of the corners and gets a lot of the vinyl shavings out, so the window can perform as well as it can. And that weld that it's cleaning out is technically the strongest part of the window, and so it's just cleaning up that strongest part of the window.
Very nice. Well, that was really fun. Thank you so much, Pat, for taking the time and giving us the tour. And I just think it's really important that we show our viewers what goes into Minnkota Windows and why we choose you guys for our sole, window dealer.
Well, it's great. It's a wonderful opportunity to show you around and show you around as well. Thanks for stopping by, and I'm looking forward to seeing the finished product in the house.
Yes, absolutely. Welcome back, everyone. We hope you enjoyed that tour of Minnkota Windows.
Yeah, so how fun was it to see the robot in action?
Yeah,
I mean, that's incredible. And the other part I really like about it is there's still a lot of human element in it. Mm-hmm. It's just not passing by the human eye of catching that oddball situation. Mm-hmm. So they're catching a lot of, if there's anything goofy, they're catching it. It just isn't all
Right.
automated.
And
so.
everything is custom.
Yep.
I mean, they don't have an inventory where they're cranking out a whole bunch of windows and you're
Yep.
grabbing from whatever. They're made
Absolutely.
per customer.
Another thing that, as we've developed our relationships too, is I find it importance that these companies really see the importance of their employees, and that's a big part of it. You look at their environment they have to
Yeah.
work in, and they provide air conditioning, and you don't see that much either. So that's
Right.
cool. I like that. So,
Yeah.
so next week, let's introduce Tim.
Right,
And we're going to
yeah.
go to the location and see the windows that were being built are now going to be in the facility,
Yeah.
in the Field of Dream project.
Yep, you'll actually get to see them
Yep.
installed and operational, and you'll get to meet Tim, our partner. So
And Tim will also take us through an install.
Yeah.
Is what will happen. So, but again, it's going to be really neat to see the window on facility in the Field of Dream project.
right. Thanks again for watching.
Field to Dream is brought to you by Center of Design and the following sponsors.
How much flawless engineering can you fit inside an exterior? Well, you'd be surprised. Select repels moisture, resists fading, and insulates 70% better than wood. Select cellular composite siding by Royal. Visit rethinksiding.com.